Yo, welcome to Yeti's Forest Spa. Today, I'm treating my bro Bigfoot to a pine needle soak.
Okay, so Bigfoot has a vlog now, and the internet's gone wild. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own Bigfoot AI vlog video using Google VO3 in seconds. Let's jump in. Method 1. Google Gemini. So the first way is through Google Gemini. I've put the official link in the description. Once logged in, from the model picker, choose 2.5 flash. Then click the big video icon to launch VO3. Next, tell Gemini exactly what to create. Basically, you need to tell it that it's a Bigfoot AI vlog video. And describe what Bigfoot is doing or saying. I'll drop all my prompts in the description for you to copy. Then click on the Submit button, and it will start generating. There it is. Watch your AI Bigfoot vlog come to life, complete with natural sounding audio and auto-generated captions.
Yo, welcome to Bigfoot's wildflower walk and ice. Today, I'm showing you my secret mountain garden.
Pretty cool, right? Just click download to save it to your device. Up next, let's explore DeepMind Flow. Method 2. Google Flow VO3. First, click the Google Flow link in the description. Once enter it, hit New Project. Choose Text to Videos and select VO3. Fast mode is enough, but you can switch to quality mode if you want higher quality output. Just watch your credit usage. It costs more credit. Next, enter your prompt and click on Generate. In seconds, your Bigfoot vlog appears complete with natural speech and camera movement.
Yo, welcome to Bigfoot's Morning Brew. Hi, let me show you how I make the perfect woodland espresso.
I also generate more videos with other prompts.
All right, so today's challenge, hide and seek. Me versus Bigfoot. Loser makes dinner.
Really amazing. Then you can save it in 1080p resolution. Before you share these with your friends across all social media platforms, import them into the 4DDig file repair to enhance your video quality. Choose AI Enhancer, Video Enhancer, then the general model. Choose Ultra HD 4K resolution, then hit Enhance. Then you have it.
Yo, welcome to Bigfoot's wildflower walk and ice. Today, I'm showing you my secret mountain garden.
One thing to note is that VO3 is not free. It requires a Google AI Pro or AI Ultra subscription. Fortunately, there's a free trial for AI Pro, and you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our other hacks. Drop a comment with your own Bigfoot vlog ideas. I'd love to see what you create. See you.